Duncan and I were up and out early this morning, and now we're headed home. He had his monthly manicure and pedicure today, and he never really enjoys going because it's at the vet and he never knows what he's going for, but he just knows he doesn't like being there. Luckily, I was able to get him in the carrier using the laser. I always have to try something different because he gets smart and figures things out, so I have to try a new method. But he went right in, which was good. And I always tell him it's going to be quick and easy and done and over with very fast, and it was. And now he's all done for another month and heading home where he can relax. And yeah, I have some things I needed to pick up in this area, but one, I don't know if it's ready, it's a prescription, and two, I don't want to leave him in the car for any moment of time because I just can't do that to him. But I will be out this way sort of again tomorrow because the parade's tomorrow, and so I may try to go and do that and a quick errand before, lovely people beeping, before the parade. We'll see how that goes. But for today, I'm just gonna head back home, take Duncan home, and hopefully have a productive but also fun day. Well, that's how our morning has started, so the calendars had to wait. I did get to eat breakfast, and so did he. But otherwise, other than making the bed, which you saw, putting nice new clean sheets, brand new sheets, on the bed, and otherwise, that's all we had time for. So, there you go. We'll see you when we get home. We are back home now. Time for calendars. On day 6 for this one, it's more bath salts, but this one, the scent is called Snow Flurries. Smells pretty nice through the package. Pretty pale pink color. Duncan got another ball today. He's been getting a lot of these lately. Different patterns. So he'll have no shortage of these to play with. Day 12 of the Body Shop is this mango shower gel. So that's a good one. I don't know if I remember the mango. Fruity and citrusy. Smells good. I was originally planning to record my yearly favorites today, but it's okay for that one to go up after Christmas as long as it's before January. So the more I think about it, the more I think my time will be better spent editing, because I have so many other videos that need to be edited and posted before that one, and I still have next weekend that I can record that one. So I think that's a better plan. That will make my stress levels be less, because if I record the video, that'll take half the day, whereas I could get a couple of things edited in that time and a couple other things done. So I think that's going to be the best option. So now, time to edit and get another vlog posted. Vlog is still uploading. It's taking a while longer because it is a longer one. So while that continues to upload, I'm going to do some more Christmas cards. While I'm doing that, I'm going to also put on a Christmas movie. I'm going to watch this one that's on Hulu called Happiest Season. Christmas cards are done. It took longer than I expected, but now they're all done. However, I had a grand to-do list for today and haven't even gotten through half of it. I don't know, there's just not enough hours in the day, especially lately. And nothing super pressing, but things I wanted to get accomplished that are not all going to happen today. And I know tomorrow's going to be busy and I'm not going to have a lot of time. So I'm doing my best, but I don't know. when I'll get to them. Because now it's 5 o'clock and I'm gonna finally make my pasta that I was gonna make last week, because if I don't make it today, it'll be another week before it gets made, and I need to have some food in the house for dinner stuff. So that's the plan now, and while I'm cooking, I'm gonna put on some Sugar Rush, but instead of the regular Sugar Rush that I've been watching, I'm gonna put on the Christmas edition Sugar Rush, because 'tis the season. Dinner is done, and the nice thing about that Texas toast is I could make half of it and save the other half for next time, so nothing gets wasted. So another handy thing about getting that instead of the full loaf of garlic bread. But now I'm going to eat and enjoy. I had my dinner. Once I finished dinner, I cleaned up the kitchen from dinner, and that took a while, so it's now just after 8 o'clock. But I'm glad it's cleaned up, because I don't like it when it's all messy like that. I can't enjoy myself. But I didn't get to a lot of the other things I was going to. They'll just have to happen another day. During dinner or after dinner, I can't remember, but this evening I've been feeling really tired and low energy, which is weird because I didn't do anything that strenuous today to take up energy, but I also at the same time was feeling a little bit like I was kind of feeling down and a little bit sad, and I snapped myself out of it. I don't know why I was feeling that way, but it just happens sometimes. But now I'm going to just relax. I'm gonna redo my nails, new color, because they've started chipping and I don't like that. Don't like when they're chipped, so time for fresh nails. And while I do that, I'm going to watch The Princess Switch 2. I watched the first one last year, and now they've made a sequel. And I haven't watched it yet, so I'm gonna enjoy that tonight. I enjoyed that. It was cute and entertaining. And I finished my nails. Decided to go gold with red on the end because it was nice and fun and festive. And I'll be honest, I'm having a bit of a down night. Just happens sometimes. It's just one of those nights. So I think that means it's time for bed, especially because tomorrow's going to be a busy day. So I will see you then. Okay, let's see what the advent calendars have for us today. Duncan gets a little snowman today, but unfortunately I noticed on the side here it's slightly ripped. So, but it looks like it has stuffing in it and not catnip. So I will just have to keep an eye on this one. For the Body Shop today, I got some exfoliating bath gloves, and they just happen to be pink. However, I've had some of these in the past. I think I still have some, and I've never used them. So perhaps I should start using them. Now I'm going to give myself an hour to get things cleaned up before I start getting ready, so we'll see how far I get in that hour. But instead of time-lapsing, I'll just show you what it's looking like before. Okay, that's done. I even got to clean the shower and the toilet. It was just slightly over an hour, so it feels better now that things are tidied a bit. I know the table's still got a bit of clutter, but I have nowhere else to put it at the moment. So now I need to eat something fast because I only have slightly over an hour before I have to leave. And I'm nowhere near ready, but I need to eat because I don't know when I'll be able to eat again, probably not till 4 o'clock this afternoon, so gotta get something in my stomach. Okay, it's now time to get ready and go from this to this. Ready to go. Excited for the parade. Sorry for the weird lighting, but I'm officially on parade duty. Waiting for the parade to come by, keeping an eye out to make sure that there's not large gaps or anything like that. But it's gonna be a while before it gets to me because I'm near the end of the route and it could be a 2-hour parade, so I'll probably be sitting here for close to an hour, but once they come around, I'll try to capture some of it for you. Home now. The parade was a success. We couldn't have asked for better weather. I don't really know how the turnout was because I wasn't in the parade to go along the parade route to see how many people were out watching and seeing the parade. I was kind of monitoring an area, but the feedback seems good and positive, so it all worked out well. And now I've had dinner and done a little organizing. You can probably hear my laundry going. And now I think I'm going to edit for about an hour. It's 6:45 till 8 o'clock. I'm going to edit, see where I can get, and then just relax. Okay, I got a little more editing done. And honestly, I was falling asleep doing it. It's now 8:30. I washed up and everything, but I think because I had my coffee this morning, but then I never had an afternoon coffee because I didn't want to have it before or while waiting for the parade because I didn't want to have to go to the bathroom since there was really nowhere around there for me to go. So I didn't have it then, and then by the time I was done, it seemed kind of late in the day because it was almost 4. So I didn't have an afternoon coffee, and took a while to kick in, but now I'm feeling the effects. So, but at least I got that hour of editing done. However, now I'm just gonna fold some laundry, put on a Vlogmas, and then probably Gilmore Girls. So nothing too exciting or eventful is gonna happen the rest of the night. So I will probably say goodnight here, and if anything does happen, I'll let you know, but highly unlikely. So I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. I'm gonna have to do the calendars tonight because I'm running a little bit behind today and I need to head to work and I need to mail out the cards. So gotta get going now, but I'll check in with you when I'm home. I'm home, ran a quick errand after work and just did my workout. Now it's already 7, but I'm gonna do the advent calendars and then eat. And then I of course have things to take care of, so we'll see where we're at. But let's start with Duncan because he wants the attention. Also, I haven't been showing you the chocolate because it's just been repeats, so when I get a new one, if I get a new one, I'll share it with you. I honestly don't know if I should give him today's toy because it's very much like the other ones, except it's also very small and I think he could choke on it. So while he's looking at me, I don't think I'm gonna give it to him because I'm just too nervous about it. He's got plenty of other things. Today's item is a lip balm, Peppermint Swirl. I will try it out, but I don't know how I'm gonna like peppermint on my lips, especially if they're dry. I'm afraid it might burn, but it doesn't smell super peppermint when I took the cap off, so we will see. Today's Body Shop item is another shower gel, but unfortunately, it's strawberry. And we already know how I feel about that. But luckily, I found someone that doesn't mind taking it, so we should be good. It will go to a good home. Today has been pretty uneventful. I had planned to wrap a couple of things tonight, but I've just run out of time and it will have to wait till another day. But there wasn't really anything exciting to show you. I just did my workout as you've seen and had dinner and then uploaded the vlog. Nothing too interesting to watch. So, and now it's about 9:30, gotta go take my shower. Then I'll probably just read. I'm gonna be starting a Christmas book, which I'm looking forward to. So, probably not going to be much else to share tonight, but hopefully as the rest of the week goes on, it will get more eventful. We will see. But I'll talk to you soon.